Okay, this is a stock tactical charging handle for an AR-15. It's the same exact scenario for an AR-10. So this is a 1/16 diameter punch. We're going to punch this roll pin. I'm not going to punch the pin all the way out. Just knock it out 3/4 of the way. Now the pin is holding the latch in place. So when you remove the punch, the parts will go flying. So you want to hold on to the parts, pull the pin out, and the parts come out in your hand. And there's your spring, and your little pin's still in the bottom of the charging handle itself. So here's your latch, your FAACORP ergonomically correct tactical latch. They make them in titanium and steel. The barrel itself is aluminum. It's held together by a roll pin. So this is actually fairly simple. You simply drop in the spring, drop in the latch, line up the hole, eyeball it, and then just push down, and there it is. Anyways, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. And it's an excellent product. There's nothing like it.